Hello, how are you, all of my friends? Welcome to my channel of new update video. Today we will do a interesting math. Here the sum is 2023 factorial and minus 2022 factorial by 2021 factorial. It's not allowed to use calculator. How can we find out the value? It is easy. So let's start. We that here we can write 23 into 2022 and 2021 factorial minus 2020 and 2021 factorial, and here 2021 factorial. Now we get common 2021 factorial. Here 2021 factorial. Here remain 23 into 2022 minus 2022 by 2021 factorial. Okay, and cancel 2021 factorial is cancelled. So we can get here we common. Here remain 23 into 2022 minus 2022. We can write here is common 2022 and here 2023 minus 1. We subtract 2023 minus 1 is equal to 2022. We can write 20 plus 22 into 2000 plus 22. Here we multiplying this, we can get here 2000 is 2000 square plus 2 20 into 2 into 22 plus 22 square. Okay, now we can get here 2 square is equal to 4 and here 3 0 multiplying we get is equal to 60 plus here multiplying is 8 30 plus into here 4 8 4. We multiplying this 2 square is and proper that we multiplying is easier. We have channel have a video to multiplying this easy thus we add all. Here we get 484, here 3 0 0 0, here 0 0 0. Okay, here 8 4 8, here 8 8, here 0 0, 8 8 and 4 0 4 0. It is a answer. Okay, and next we will solve a new update video. Everybody Okay, thank you.